All right, today we're going to be covering lesson 9-4. This has 8 separate sections, and the 8 sections that are broken down is 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 through 10, 11, 12, and 13. 8 separate sections, and those are the breakdowns. Let's get started with section 1 and the introduction to it. Number 1 starts off by saying, for the big finish, the Marching Cougars performance, Mr. Scott arranges the band in a triangle formation. Then the triangle appears to rotate clockwise around a point like a pinwheel. The center of the rotation is the vertex located at 0, 0 on the coordinate plane. The spinning type of transformation is called a rotation. It is defined by the center of the rotation, which is mapped to itself, and the angle of the rotation. The center of rotation may be part of the figure being rotated, as in the case shown above, or it may be a point outside the figure. Functions that describe rotations include xy goes to y negative x, which is clockwise rotation of 90 degrees. Repeat this function twice to produce xy goes to negative x negative y, which is a rotation of 180 degrees. The function x comma y goes to negative y comma x is a clockwise rotation of 270 degrees or 90 degrees counterclockwise. A rotation is a transformation that maps points across a circular arc. It preserves the distance of each point to the center of the rotation. Here, we're going to be looking at question number 1 only. It tells you the function it wants you to perform, and I'm going to give you 2 minutes to come up with your answers here. Go ahead, pause your video. As you can see in this particular example, the question has been worked out for you now. Please keep in mind, especially with this line 2 here, it says negative 3 comma 10, and it says keep your y. Well, my y was 10, so I'm going to keep it, but now it's going to the x position. And it says make the opposite of your x. Well, my x was already negative, so 2 negatives make a positive. As you can see, 0, 0 stayed as a fixed point throughout the entire set of rotations. On to your debriefing.